Imagine this. It's a warm day in July. You're having a wonderful day tanning in the sun. Then suddenly you realize that something is wrong. The sun starts to burn on your skin. You feel like dying and realize that you will not survive more than 5 minutes in this incredible heat, at least not without a cool drink. You walk into your house to find out that your brother has left the Coke out in the heat. Stupid brother, you think, walking to the freezer to get some ice cubes. But there are no ice cubes left. Oh my god! What are you supposed to do now? With only 4 more minutes to live, unless you manage to get some ice. Don't worry, we have a solution to your problem. Step by step. To begin with, you need the following: an airtight container, for example, a bell jar, a beaker, a vacuum cleaner, water, and last but not least, you need acetone. First, you shall fill the beaker 50-50 with acetone and water. Then, put the airtight container on top of it. Next step is to vacuum the container, but don't forget to keep it airtight. Finally, the water will start boiling, although you must not be afraid. Just continue vacuuming and watch magic take place when the water soon will freeze to ice.
How does this work? Let's begin with explaining why water boils in vacuum. Basically, the boiling point, when liquid turns into gas, is dependent on two factors: temperature and pressure. Heat, as you well know, can turn liquid into gas when it obtains enough energy, or in other words, heat, to break the connections that otherwise keeps the molecules together. But the temperature of which water boils at depends on the pressure. Normally, the air puts pressure on the water, which places the molecules more tightly together, which in turn makes it harder to break those connections. On the other hand, in vacuum, the distance between the molecules is expanded as the water attempts to fill the empty space, making differences in heat more likely to break those bonds because they're so far apart. But lastly, how does boiling water turn into ice? This is because the vapor of the molecules with the most energy, or heat, leaving the remaining liquid at a lower temperature than it was before.